Welcome to a brief video summary of the Denon AVR X6200W AV receiver. You can read the full review by clicking the link in the description or the info button top right of the screen. This might be second in the Denon lineup of AV receivers for 2016 behind the superb AVR X7200, but it comes absolutely feature packed with the latest technology and new standards. All of this also comes in quite a compact chassis with excellent build quality and good amounts of power. It features all the latest immersive formats including Dolby Atmos, DTS:X and, as a paid upgrade, Auro 3D. The X6200 has a traditional AVR design with the input selector dial and power button to the left hand side of the front plate and the volume knob to the right side. In the centre is a large and easy to read display, and below this is a flap which hides more connections and control buttons. We have a selection of zone controls, menu selections and direction keys, an HDMI slot, USB and headphone jack, along with composite video, RCA audio inputs and a 3.5mm jack for the setup microphone. As the Denon is also black in colour, it attracts dust like no other receiver we've tested recently, and even after a good clean, it's back again in a few minutes, as you can see. The provided remote control takes on the brushed black looks of the main unit with a well laid out and logical appearance. Like most well designed remotes, the directional keys are central with access to the main setup menu and back key within easy thumb reach, and the volume keys are just above those. This makes it easy to operate in the dark and find the most used features quickly. Around the back we have a well laid out and easy to follow set of inputs and speaker terminals. To the top of the rear plate are 7 HDMI 2.0A inputs and 3 outputs, with all of them supporting HDCP 2.2 copy protection for 4K 444 60p video pass-through, and this also includes the HDMI port on the front panel. We also have a good selection of digital and audio inputs and outputs, with a small selection of legacy video inputs and outputs. There are also 13.2 RCA pre-outs if you want to use external amplification instead of the 9 channels built in, and at the bottom of the back of the chassis are colour-coded speaker terminals. With the built-in 9 channels of amplification, you can have either a 5.1.4 or 7.1.2 Atmos setup, with the option to add a 2-channel power amp to up that to 7.1.4 or 9.1.2. The menu system is also easy to follow and even has a setup wizard to walk first-time users of an AVR through the setup procedures. Everything is well thought out and intuitive to follow, with full network capabilities, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and streaming services, and even a remote app to help further. Sound quality is extremely good, with a dynamic and warm presentation of movie soundtracks and stereo music. The new Atmos and DTS:X sound mixes are incredibly immersive, and the Denon produces one of the best movie sound performances for this price point, and it comes highly recommended. You can read the full in-depth review at avforums.com/reviews. You can also watch more videos at avforums.com/videos, and why not follow us on Twitter and like our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.